Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Bitget Wallets account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Bitget Wallets account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in bitget.com and make a search. You're going to see the official page of Bitget Wallet displayed on the screen. Now to create an account on Bitget Wallet, enter your email address or phone number, create a password for your Bitget Wallets account and tap on Create Account option. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Before creating an account, tick mark on the box to agree to the terms and conditions of Bitget Wallets account. You can also sign up to your Bitget wallet using your Google, Apple or Telegram account as well. This is how you can sign up for your Bitget Wallets account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.